Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4 from MA Economics, MAC 004. Before starting this video, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions in a PDF form. This is a paid service. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238, which is showing on your screen. Kindly note this number and call us also. And if you need answers of this question, so call without any hesitation. So question number 4 is describe Pasinetti's theory of an economic growth and distribution. So this question number 4 about the Pasinetti theory. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us without any hesitation. We will provide all the answers in a PDF form without delay. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.